Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Jasprel. So guys, this is my first ever experience na mag-island hopping last September 2, 2023. So, tingnan nyo guys, makikita nyo ang wave sa likod namin. Super galit kasi may habagat niyan during that time. Pero kahit na napanik kami, nag-enjoy naman kami sa activities namin. So, dapat lang talaga pag may ganitong scenario, hindi ka stay calm ka lang kahit panic ka na. Huwag mo lang masyadong basta nag-pray lang po ako diyan na makakauwi kami ng safe at i-enjoy namin ang time. So, yan. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!